wouldn't make a whole video on this, but there's so much to say. And basically, Walmart is having a massive rollback and clearance event on some of their top selling beauty items and also some fashion ones. And we're talking big brands and good brands and things that you're interested in. And I'm not giving you any polyester junk here, like the good stuff. So let's get into it. I'm going to try and go through these rapid fire and put everything on the screen, but if you don't see it on the screen, it's also in the description. Anyway, Garnier has this bundle. You get a shampoo and a conditioner. The bundle is $6.47 and the shipping is free. If you've seen my previous videos, you know I think this line is really good if you want to fight frizz. I also think that $8 spray they make is one of the best rivals for Color Wow's $32 Dream Coat. And remember, they are made by the same company, L'Oreal. I shared these in the past, but they added more sizes and I'm very excited about it. These are surprisingly good quality jeans and they are $20. Also, now's a good time to tell you that the newer fashion lines at Walmart are directly, and I mean directly, taking a lot of inspiration from very big and much more expensive fashion lines, and it's almost as if they were cut exactly the same and using nearly identical materials. In this case, I would compare to Madewell. So these are 20 bucks, and one of the ways you know that these are good quality is that V-shaped seam at the back. If your jeans don't have that V-shaped seam, it doesn't mean that they're bad quality. It just means that these were made with the intention of giving a lifted derriere appearance. And usually it's a finer detail that cheap, junky jeans just don't have. And these are 20 bucks. Also 99% cotton and 1% spandex. It's almost as if that is the exact composition that Madewell is using as well. That means it's going to give you a little bit of stretch, but not a ton. Just enough so you can move comfortably and feel like, you can eat a meal. And sizes 0 to 22. So good. And here's a shot from the front so you have an idea of what they really look like. I would hurry up though because I do think these are going to sell out. This one is a Walmart specific brand, but it is surprisingly good quality. It's Holler's Liquid Highlighter and Blush Duo. And just take a guess what it costs. Did you say $4? Yes. I'm sorry, but good luck beating that. Works on a variety of skin tones, very easy to use, creamy formula that is very forgiving and will not sit in your fine lines and wrinkles if you have them like I do. And the very same chemical formula is being used by another brand at Ulta, which is selling for more like $16 per product. If you're acne prone, this one is going to be for you. This is not normally an expensive product. It's already affordable, but now because Walmart marked it down, it's like ridiculously affordable. Also fragrance free if you're sensitive. Under $6 now. Secret Clinical deodorant, like people are obsessed with this stuff, okay? It really does work, and under $10 is a good price to begin with. Because it's sale season, there is an added coupon, and if you buy 2, you get $6 to use at Walmart, like on anything. Which basically means you're taking $3 off each deodorant, and they are $6.47 each, and I have not seen that price in like 7 or 8 years on Secret Clinical, so if that is your thing, go get it. These sweatpants I am not calling dupes because I'm not allowed to use this word. I'm saying that they look just like the Aritzia ones. And some of the colors have already sold out, but there's extra, extra small all the way through 3XL, and they're under $11. Again, the shipping is free. Wait, I should have said this much earlier. The brands didn't pay me. Walmart didn't reach out to me. Nobody sent me free samples. I'm just giving you information. And finally, this is already out of stock in stores, but I think it is so cute. And if you have had the chance to see it in person, it is surprisingly well made. The stitching is excellent, and it's $13. Now, the medium wash is still full price, but that Indigo rinse, that's the cheapie. It's still available in 0 through 28. I just think it's cute for fall and really versatile. I'll add a few more in short videos throughout the week because there's just a lot and they keep marking things down, but these are the ones I personally would go for now.